Alkaline team offers condolences to family of man killed after new rule concert. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The management team of dancehall entertainer Alkaline have publicly expressed their condolences to the family of Arrett Neil Thompson, the Good Samaritan who was fatally shot as he attempted to foil a robbery last week Sunday. Reports are that Thompson was on his way home from the DJ's New Rule event held at the National Stadium car park when he tried to retrieve a stolen item from robbers along Tom Redcombe Avenue. During his act of bravery, Thompson was shot in the left side of his back and collapsed and was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital by the police unit where he succumbed to his injuries. Alkaline and New Era Production, in a statement posted to their social media platform on Friday, said that they have been in dialogue with Mr. Thompson's family and they are deeply moved by his passing. Mr. Thompson would have celebrated his 22nd birthday today. His untimely death almost a week ago has left not only the immediate family and friends but also the community of music lovers he associated with. Mr. Erden Bartley, more popularly known as Alkaline, and his team would like to publicly express their condolences to his mother, Miss Safra Turner, and the extended family. Mr. Thompson, who was amongst 38,000 patrons at the National Stadium car park on July the 2nd, 2022, left the venue with hopes of reaching home safely. His neighborly action, which led to his untimely death, must be acknowledged. The statement also used the opportunity to implore anyone with information surrounding the incident to share it with the relevant authorities. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.